Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to contact Wix customer service. So let's go to the browser first, then right here, wix.com/contact. Now hit enter. It will take you to the directly this page. Now choose the problem you have, like I'm having problem accepting payments. Choose any one of this. Try this strategy to get the Wix customer care directly. You can start over. I'm doing again, accepting payments. Right here, talk to a human. Now you can see that start a live chat. Click on this start a live chat, and then you can see here it is asking that a Franklin joined the conversation. Now you can see that a customer service has joined to the conversation. Now you can talk to him and you can ask your problem and get fixed with this. So guys, this is how you can contact with Wix customer service. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.